So this question, the second question. So the second question is, a man covered a certain distance at some speed. Had he moved 3 km per hour faster, he would have taken 40 minutes less. And if he had moved 2 km per hour slower, then he would have taken 40 minutes more. So what is the distance? Now here we need to find out the distance. So first of all, do not forget that what we have from the formula, that is the speed is equal to distance divided by time. Okay, so can we write one equation here, that is say if distance, we need to find the distance, so say distance is x kilometer and speed, his regular speed is, say, regular speed is, say, s kilometer per hour. So what I mean to say, that if I write x by s, what I will get? Time. Okay, then as he has now increased the speed 3 km by 3 km per hour, so this means s plus 3. So it will take what? 40 minutes. Means if this is the normal speed and distance, so that will have some, that will consume some time, that is that real time. Okay, and this is the time when speed is increased by 3 hours, so that will be exactly 40 minutes less, isn't it? So 40 minutes less means what? If this is the 40 minutes, then in hour we'll write it as 40 by 60 hour. As we know, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour, so 40 minutes will be 40 by 60. So I can directly writing here as, because z00 2 to 3, so that will be 2 by 3. So I have got as, if I am taking x common here, 1 by s minus 1 by s plus 3 is equal to what? 2 by 3, isn't it? So x s into s plus 3, that will be s plus 3 minus s s 2 by 3. So now this side we have 2. Okay, so 3 into 3 into x is equal to 2 into what? S into s plus 3. So that is 9x is equal to twice s plus 3. This is equation number 1. From the first fact, fact 1 says this thing. Now what the fact 2 says, if he had moved 2 km per hour slower. So what is the real speed? If it is 2 km per hour, that will be s minus 2, isn't it? S is the normal speed, s minus 2 is the speed with 2 km per hour slower. Then x by s, that is same again, he would take 40 minutes more. So 40 minutes we have already for converted into hour, that is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3. The second fact says that. So now x again common. In this case we have 1 by s minus 2 minus 1 by s is equal to 2 by 3. X is equal to s into s minus 2, s minus s plus 2 is equal to 2 by 3. So we have s gone, that is twice x, 2 into, of course this 3 comes here, 2x into 3 is equal to, in this side what we have, 2 into s minus 2. So ultimately we have what? 2 gone, thrice x is equal to s into s minus 2. This is the equation number 2. Clear? So this equation 1, this equation 2. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out the distance, and why not we divide 1 by 2. So means 1 divided by 2, this will give us what? 9x by 3x is equal to twice s plus 3 divided by s minus 2. So now this will go on 3, this is 3. So thrice s minus 6, thrice s minus 6 is equal to what? Twice s plus 6. So can I write it here? Of course, because the space is less now. So I am rubbing it. After the simplification part, you will find the value of s as what? Thrice s minus 6 is equal to twice s plus 6. So it comes here, this side means thrice s minus twice s, and this 6 goes to this side. So 6 plus 6. So what? S is equal to 12. And what is that? S is the kilometer per hour, our speed. Now what we have to find out exactly? We have to find out x. So put either in equation number 1 and equation number 2, but I have already rubbed the equation number 1. So if you can put it in the equation number 1, that's okay, but I am putting it now in this equation. Putting the s value, putting s in 2. So thrice x is equal to how much? 12 into 12 minus 2. Okay, 3, 3, 4. That is 4 into how much? 12 minus 2 is 10. So that is 40. So the distance is 40 kilometer. Got it? So I am again revising the concept. So what exactly we are applying here? The same thing. Speed is equal to distance by time. Now as we have distance, we have speed, and now actually the facts are given with respect to time. Why not times comes to this part? So it means we have converted this into time is equal to distance divided by speed. We are applying that to form two equations with respect to the given fact that one case when he had moved 3 km faster, 40 minutes less time covered, and one case when he is moving 2 km/h slower, than 40 minutes more time taken. So using this fact, we have formed two equations. Then with some simplifications, we have derived the value of s, and then putting the s value in any one of the equation number 1 and 2, we got the value for the distance. So I think that's all for today, guys. So I hope you have understood this question and the solution part. And if any doubt exists, then do ask me. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.